Hello everyone. I will be explaining how to use Transport for London. I will show you how to plan a journey, and a great example would be Holborn Underground Station to, let's say, Piccadilly Circus. And as shown here, by bus you can take it to Tottenham Court Road and then change buses to Piccadilly Circus. Over here in the status updates, you can see all the lines and updates. However, it's 5:12 in the morning in London right now, so let's try a future date. You can see that all the status lines are in good services. However, you can also sign up for email updates in case you worry if there will be a closure soon. So you type in your name, email address, your Oyster number, postcode, and then you can select your journey updates. What is also really nice is you can see different maps. There are tube and rail maps, bus maps, cycle, river, and more kinds of maps. Under the visitor maps, there are tube maps in other languages, which is really nice. Some of them include Arabic, Chinese, French, German, Greek, and so on. And then over in fares, you can find out which pass works best for you based on your budget and plans and how much it costs. I personally use an Oyster card, so this page explains all of the directions, how to use it, where to buy, create an account, register your Oyster card. There's even an auto top-up option, meaning if your Oyster card balance goes below £20, they will automatically top up your Oyster card with either £20 or £40 from your bank account, which can make sense. That way you won't run out of balance. Then over in the help and contacts page, if you have any other questions and need additional help, they can answer any of your questions. Thank you.